Thank you for purchasing a retention ring. In this video, we will cover recommendations for the phone ring as well as installation instructions. Prior to installing your phone ring, we recommend that you remove your phone from its case. The phone ring's small footprint allows you to install it in areas that don't affect wireless charging or other mounting solutions. Once you have selected a spot to install your phone ring, clean the area with the included alcohol prep pad. Remove the red backing from the adhesive on the bottom of the phone ring. Holding the phone ring by its cord, set the phone ring in its desired location, and then apply pressure for up to 15 seconds. We have included an additional piece of adhesive should you wish to change the location of the phone ring or move it to a different case.